Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi. We have a lot of fun here on this channel because makeup doesn't need to be serious, okay? Not super serious like everybody else has it be. And hopefully I can entertain you guys and you guys can also learn some stuff. Not today. You ain't gonna learn nothing today. You're gonna see me panic and how not to panic when a phone is trying to tell you what to do. But I mean, other than that, and if you're not new here, hey, how y'all doing? And let's get into this tutorial. Hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody is okay. But today we are going to work in a palette that I know and love very well. It's very near and dear to my heart. It's the Jeffree Star and Morphe collaboration. I actually really like this palette, but we're gonna do something fun with it today, which is it has 30 shades, and I'm sure you guys have seen by now the makeup or the number generator on Google. So let's go ahead. Basically the way it works, I'm gonna start with this shade being number 1, this shade being number 30, and whatever it generates, I'm going to put it on my eyeball. So I actually have all the rest of my makeup done. So it's gonna generate between 1 and 30. So it generated 30. Yay! I've always wanted to put black in my crease. Okay, so also I think for the makeup look, I am going to do just like normally what I do, which is like a cut crease with darker outer corners, light in the middle. So this is gonna be interesting. I normally have a transition shade right now, but let's try and make it work. We gonna make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use this, and this is the shade Fast Lane, and 30 would be the black one. So let's go in. I'm over here hanging on for dear life, like, please, please work out. Okay, so we have that shade. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to further blend it out. I'm going to take this Ofra E35E brush and just try to like blend it out just a little bit more. Oh, and it doesn't have anything on it. So I think that looks pretty good. Let's do the next shade. The next shade I normally go in with would be a darker outer corner shade, but this is the darkest one in the palette. So let's just see what it gives us. Okay. Number 7. Which is gonna be like a nude. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think the Google number generator knows I'm doing this, and they're just like, oh, let's fuck with her, you know. Like, it's all good. But you know what, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, with determination, anything is possible. Fuck myself over. Okay, and this is the shade Lynn, by the way. Ooh, bitch. sketchy. Sketchy to say the least. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. You guys, I don't know how I'm gonna pull myself out of this one, but we're gonna make it work. I promise you that. Okay, so the third color is 17. So, okay, so the 13th shade, or the 17th shade is Calabasas. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease and put Calabasas all over my crease. Okay, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal 355 to cut my crease. Okay, so now that I've got my crease nice and cut, I'm going to use Calabasas. Oh my gosh. This is like really vampy so far. Oh my goodness, you guys. I look crazy. Okay, I'm going to blend all of this out. So I'm going to speed it up. Ooh, Lynn is powerful. Powerful. Hey Lynn, how you doing? Ooh. Okay, so like this is the best that I could come up with for this particular situation. Okay, now let's go ahead. Um, for my lower lash line, let's see what we get. 23. 23. Okay, so 23 is shade Vroom Vroom. So it's that gray right there. Okay, that's all I can do. Okay, this is going to be the shade that I put close to the, I'm going to put this closest to my lash line, and then I'll do another color to like blend out Vroom Vroom. Because that's the only way I think I could get myself out of this. So I'm only taking it to the outer corner right here. So it's literally going to stay at my lash line. Okay, Let me actually strengthen that up a little bit. Okay, okay. It's working. Like, I'm starting to not hate it. Okay, we're gonna get it together. Okay, so another shade. 6. Okay, good. I think I could work with 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is a shade called Wand Noise, and it's this shade right here, the orangey one. So happy about that. Maybe it's starting to go in my favor. But I'm going to take the Wand Noise shade and I'm going to bring it literally out like a wing. I think making this look exotic as possible is probably what's going to help me save this look. Okay? Oh, I love this shade. I've never used this specific shade, Wand Noise, before. It's really pretty. It's like a orangey, but it has like a little bit of gold reflex in it. I like it. Come on, Wand Noise, saving the day. Tying all this shit together. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, the end of my beauty blender, and then just sharpen up the edges here. Slash just cover them back up with concealer. Okay, so I need one more shade, and that's going to be my brow bone and inner corner highlight. So please be kind to me. Please be kind to me. Ooh. Ooh, 13. Maybe. Okay, let's see what 13 is. 13 is a good shade. Okay, they were kind to me. 13 is this shade right here called Designer Label. And it's like a champagne-y kind of inner corner highlight shade. So, yay. So literally just inner corner highlighting all this. Okay guys, so I'm back from putting on my liner and doing my mascara. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up. So that's my tutorial on how, you can just get Google to generate your makeup for you. So you don't necessarily have to even put any creative thought into it. Google can do it for you. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and share my videos with all of your friends who are into makeup, so that everybody can learn tips, tricks, and be entertained here on my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye.